This is John and Amy with TPF Trips, Places, and Fun. We're here on our first Disney cruise. We got an interior cabin. We're going to show it to you right now.
We're on the Disney Wonder.
Okay, here we go. All right, do we have a light?
All right, we need lights.
Yeah, we need light.
Let there be
Figure
light.
it out.
Let there be light.
Let's see.
There's no light.
We just don't know how to turn it on. There's that one. Okay.
There we go.
Yeah, there's some. All right.
Okay, here we are.
Here we are. So we have, I believe they said this is 180 square feet. We've got our queen bed here. And then this is cute. I hear that parents like this when they bring their children with them.
Oops, we forgot our kids. Shoot.
You can just draw this across for some privacy. The sofa can sleep one, and then this pulls down to sleep one.
All right.
So you can put 4 people in these rooms. Got a little like vanity desk here going on.
And we saved about $500 a person between the balcony and this room. That'll be dependent on your cruise though. And I love interior rooms. I love them, love them, love them.
And the great thing about Disney bathrooms is they have a tub, something we did not get on
Really?
Carnival or Royal Caribbean.
Hey, look at
So
that.
you've actually got a little tub in here.
All right.
So that's nice.
Look over. Let's see what they got here. Got your hair dryer,
Yep.
right?
Yes.
And very nice.
Yeah, very nice. So, of course, unless you really splurge, you know, your cruise cabins aren't going to be huge.
Right.
However, you've got everything you need.
Let's look in the closets here, see what we got.
And
Oh, there's our life jackets.
these are a little bit bigger actually than, you know, Royal Caribbeans or Carnivals, you know, on average. So,
Right, and there's our safe if we need a safe. And for all of our jewels and gold coins.
yes.
All right. TV, tiny little TV. Whoa, and I'm carrying this gigantic backpack. It's
We
heavy.
have a fridge
Oh,
right
look at
here.
that. We have a fridge.
Fridge.
By the way, we're Trips, Places, and Fun. We do all sorts of travel news, vacation news, cruise news, which is what we're doing today. Branson, Missouri news, right?
Yeah, we're from Branson, Missouri.
Yeah. It's
But
a
today, it's
entertainment mecca there in Branson.
First Disney cruise on the Disney Wonder, cruising out of New Orleans, and we thought you'd like to see the interior cabin. So here we are, and it is basically everything we're going to need for the next 6 nights.
Yeah, so you need to watch. I'll give you in the mirror. You need to watch. We're going to be putting out a bunch of these Disney videos, and we got one on the whole embarkation process, like with the COVID testing. So we have that video, so it kind of let you know what it takes to get on board the ship and other.
And here we are. Now we can relax. So
Yes, that was stressful.
Here we are, and here is the interior cabin, and I think it's adorable.
And this is 6611 on the Disney Wonder in New Orleans, is where we're at
Cruising
today.
out of, so.
Yeah.
Anyway, so thanks for taking a look at it with us. We can't wait to spend the next almost week here.
Yeah.
Safe travels, everyone.